Hello, Lili here. Today we are starting with Class 3, Chapter 3 of your Maths workbook. The name of the chapter is Subtraction. Worksheet number 1. Subtract the following without regrouping. A. 5,685 minus 2,361 equals to 3,324. B. 7,859 minus 5,457 equals to 2,402. C. 9,764 minus 1,531 equals to 8,233. D. 5,347 minus 4,224 equals to 1,123. Question number 2. Regroup tens and ones and subtract the followings. A. 6,442 minus 4,423 equals to 2,019. B. 5,675 minus 3,147 equals to 2,528. C. 5,786 minus 4,358 equals to 1,428. And the last one, 9,671 minus 7,364 equals to 2,307. Now arrange the following numbers in columns and then subtract. Number A. 1,765 from 3,875. The answer is 2,110. B. 2,267 from 4,579. The answer will be 2,312. C. 4,169 from 7,385 and the answer is 3,216. And D. 3,447 from 7,685 the answer is equal to 4,238. Worksheet number 2. Subtract the following without regrouping. A. 784 minus 652 equals to 132. B. 456 minus 134 equals to 322. C. 989 minus 747. The answer is equal to 242. D. 678 minus 247. The answer is 433. Now regroup tens and ones and subtract the following. A. 628 minus 349 equals to 279. B. 347 minus 118 equals to 229. C. 559 minus 167 equals to 392. And the last one, 454 minus 345 equals to 109. Arrange the following numbers in columns and then subtract. A. 420 from 756. Answer is 336. B. 374 from 910 and the answer is equal to 536. 543 from 667 and the answer is 124. And the last one, 416 from 842, the answer is equal to 426. Worksheet number 3. Find the difference. A. 2,173 minus 1,285 equal to 888. B. 9,345 minus 6,386 and the answer is equal to 2,959. C. 8,332 minus 4,257 the answer is 4,075. D. 6,271 minus 2,189 equals to 4,082. E. 4,835 minus 3,957 equals to 878. F. 7,643 minus 3,856. The answer is equal to 3,787. G. 5,587 minus 4,899 equals to 688. And the last one, 9,624 minus 5,857. The answer is 3,767. And question number 2, arrange the following numbers in columns and then subtract. 2,898 from 3,879. The answer is 981. B. 1,896 from 4,789 is equal to 2,893. 1,882 from 4,971. The answer is 3,089. 5,834 from 6,924. The answer is equal to 1,090. E. 1,736 from 2,825. The answer is equal to 1,089. And 1,826 from 4,615. The answer is equal to 2,789. Worksheet number 4. Subtract the following. A. 900 minus 784. The answer is equal to 116. B. 805 minus 657. The answer is 148. C. 7,000 minus 6,758 and the answer is 242. D. 5,060 minus 1,379. The answer is equal to 3,681. E. 7,860 minus 972. The answer is equal to 6,888. And the last one is 6,058 minus 4,876. The answer is equal to 1,182. Simplify the following. A. 245 plus 878 minus 988 equals to 135. B. 897 minus 178 minus 245 plus 167 equals to 641. C. 789 plus 345 plus 224 minus 656 equals to 702. D. 1,456 plus 3,457 minus 1,678. The answer is equal to 3,235. E. 3,856 plus 5,589 minus 3,245. The answer equal to 6,200. F. 7,653 minus 1,643 minus 2,345. The answer is equal to 3,665. G. 9,888 minus 2,456 plus 3,450 minus 5,660 equals to 5,222. And the last one, H, is 7,835 plus 2,567 minus 2,456 minus 4,562. The answer is equal to 3,384. Now, the worksheet number 5 is number 1. Subtract the following and check your answer through addition. So number A, the answer is equal to 243. B, the answer is 476. C, the answer is equal to 1,609. D, the answer is equal to 5,777. E, the answer is equal to 4,391. F, the answer is equal to 5,717. G, the answer is equal to 2,391. And H, the answer is equal to 1,335. Fill in the blanks using the properties of subtraction. A. 152 minus 1 equals to 151. B. 961 minus 961 equals to 0. 823 minus 0 equals to 823. D. 2,675 minus 1 equals to 2,674. E. 1,689 minus 0 equals to 1,689. F. 8,756 minus 8,756 equals to 0. G. 7,345 minus 1 equals to 7,344. H. 9,000 minus 1 equals to 8,999. I. 7,890 minus 1 equals to 7,889. J. 1,345 minus 0 equals to 1,345. 7,000 minus 1 equals to 6,999. And 5,960 minus 1 equals to 5,959. Worksheet number 6. Estimate the difference of the following by rounding to the nearest tens. A. 97 minus 43 equals to 60. 153 minus 128 equals to 20. 2,365 minus 1,782 equals to 590. Question number 2 is telling that estimate the difference of the following by rounding to the nearest hundreds. A will become 4,487 minus 123 equals to 400. 989 minus 543 equals to 500. 4,636 minus 2,764 equals to 1,800. Solve the following subtraction stories. A. A shopkeeper had 858 items in his shop. He sold 634 items in a month. Estimate the number of items left with the shopkeeper by rounding to the nearest tens. The answer of the subtraction will equal to 230. B. A publisher printed 3,625 copies of a storybook. He sold 2,482 copies of the book last week. Estimate the number of copies left with him by rounding to the nearest hundreds. The answer is equal to 1,100. C. A poultry farm supplies 4,552 eggs to a market A and 3,483 eggs to market B every week. Which market gets more supply of eggs and by how much? So we should do the subtraction, and the answer is market A and by 1,069. D. A gardener planted 3,500 saplings in a park. Heavy rains damaged 1,549 saplings. How many saplings were left undamaged? The answer is equal to 1,951. E. A factory manufactured 7,268 cycles in year 1 and 9,234 cycles in year 2. In which year more cycles were manufactured and by how much? In year 2 and by 1,969. And worksheet number 7, solve the following. Number A, after solving, you will get the answer 5,556. B is equal to 1,347. C is equal to 3,886. D is equal to 4,070. E is equal to 5,264. And F is equal to 1,945. Solve the following number stories. In the month of July, 5,678 books were printed in a printing press. In the month of August, 3,545 books were printed. In the next month, 1,236 books were damaged due to fire. How many books were left in the printing press? 7,987 books were left. B. 9,863 people visited an amusement park in a week. 3,485 people visited from Monday to Wednesday and 2,265 people visited on Tuesday and Friday. How many people visited the amusement park on weekdays and how many visited on weekends? The answer is 5,750 and 4,130. C. In an inter-school competition, 5,825 students participated. Out of these, 1,349 were from School A, 1,783 from School B, and the rest were from School C. Find the number of students who participated from School C. The answer is 2,693. D. Chitra has 4,509 coins in her money bank. Out of these, 1,672 are 1 rupees coins, 1,536 are 2 rupees coins, and rest are 5 rupees coins. How many 5 rupees coins does Chitra have? The answer is equal to 1,301. Subtract the sum of 4,528 and 2,130 from 9,856. And the last one is subtract the sum of 4,246 and 3,567 from the sum of 4,096 and 5,790, and the answer is equal to 2,073. So, if you enjoyed my video, please do like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.